Pirates Ultimate Families, how everybody doing out there? Kwofi here. Today we're talking about protein. We need to talk about protein because there's a lot of myths behind it when we speak about becoming an optimal health being and using veganism or only consuming plant foods to do it. Now, the human body only derives or uses about 20% of any consumed protein. That leaves 80% to be discarded with the rest of the toxins in the body. This usually happens from the urea, which is a biochemical reaction of the body, and this produces pneumonia and usually takes place around the liver and the kidney reactions of the body. Now, the human body only predominantly needs 2.5 grams of protein, so anything higher falls under what I'm speaking about, and we are talking about rabbit starvation. This term comes from around the late 1800s when people that were in colder environments, usually around like the Caucasus Mountains, etc., had to eat lean animals, rabbits, deer, etc. In colder environments, the animals' meat or bodies become more lean. Now, the high protein diets are usually toxic or unhealthy for two reasons. And these reasons are that they are producers, or high protein diets are producers of high saturated fats. Now, it also serves as a restrict and a block of carbohydrates and electrolytes. And when we're dealing with these two factors, we are dealing with complications of clogged arteries and high blood cholesterols, etc. Now, it also ushers in insulin resistance as well, which is a failed response to on a normal frequency of the human anatomy. So for these facts alone makes protein more of a toxic substance, and since it is a toxic substance, I'm going to go ahead and label it as a poison. Now, maldecarbo is another name for what I'm speaking about. It's rabbit starvation. Too much protein in the diet. And like I say, anything above 2.5 grams start this process. So everyone stay healthy out there. Powers Ultimate.